Chapter 7, Exercise 7.57. For the following reaction, compute the theoretical yield of the product in moles for each of the following initial amounts of reactants. Titanium reacts with chlorine gas to form titanium tetrachloride. 8 moles of titanium and 8 moles of chlorine 2. How much titanium tetrachloride can we form? We can use the amount of titanium to predict the amount of product, and then we use the amount of the chlorine gas to produce the amount of the product, and then whichever value is smaller, that's the theoretical yield. So from 8 moles of titanium, we'll get 8 moles of titanium chloride because the ratio is 1:1. From 8 moles of chlorine gas, we get only 4 moles of titanium chloride because the ratio is 2:1. So 8 moles of chlorine 2 can produce only 4 moles of titanium tetrachloride. Now we compare 8 and 4. Which is smaller? 4 is smaller. This is the theoretical yield. So you can see Mastering Chemistry is doing the same thing. They started with 8 moles of titanium. There's a 1:1 ratio. They get 8 moles of titanium tetrachloride, and then they also look at the amount of chlorine, 8 moles of chlorine gas. There's a 1:2 ratio, so you end up with 4 moles of titanium chloride. Compare these two values. The smaller one is the theoretical yield, and chlorine 2 or chlorine gas is the limiting reactant. Titanium is in excess. Now over here, 6 moles of titanium will produce 6 moles of the product. 15 moles of CO2 produces 7.5 moles of the product. So I'm going to choose the smaller value between 6 and 7.5. Same here. Over here, from titanium, we will get 12.6 moles of titanium tetrachloride, and from this value we'll get 1/2 of 19.2, which is 9.6. So 9.6 is the theoretical yield. Now I'm going to show you Mastering Chemistry again. If we have 12.6 moles of titanium, we get 12.6 moles of the product because there's a 1:1 ratio between the product and titanium. However, from 19.2 moles of chlorine, we get only 9.6 moles of product because there's a ratio of 1:2 here.